Hey, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? All right, today we are getting out the house. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me today. I'm invited somewhere to make some beef and broccoli. I'm gonna do this over some fried rice, probably some plain fried rice made with little vegetables in it. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. All right, guys, here we go. All right, first, see, I got my little skillet in. I got me some fresh garlic along with some ginger. So we're gonna saute that up. All right, so I got my peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, everything in here sauteing. Next, I'm gonna add my beef, kind of catch up with everything. All right, on this end, I've started my fried rice. Like I said, I got little vegetables, peppers, onions, carrots. Alright, the last time I think I had you guys watching me, I put my soy sauce on before some of my sesame oil. So I'm going to do it a different way this time. I'm going to put a little sesame oil on there. Because what I found out, it helps keep the rice coated and not sticking, the soy sauce don't stick to the grill when you add the soy sauce. So I'm going to do a little bit of that. Now I'm going to hit my little soy sauce. But I'm going to do it in a little batch. See how it's not sticking? As before when I added that soy sauce on, before I put that on, that soy sauce will stick to the grill. But see how that's nice coated? It's not even sticky. So that's something that I just kind of picked up, you know, as I got in the rice. And that's the old smear that I showed you guys in the first video. As you can see, The grill is hot on this little side. I'm standing on the cooler side, but eventually I'm gonna put it over there to finish off. All right, got that beef going. And as you guys see, we added our broccoli, the rest of our sauce. I thinned some of it down a little bit because that's going to simmer. We're going to let that simmer for a little bit. Actually, a little more broccoli. Alright guys, we'll be back in a minute.